Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace the low beam headlight, clearance light, and the blinker light on your Mazda 3. On this 2016 Mazda 3 you were able to replace the high beam from the engine bay. All the lights except for the blinker light on the passenger side you can replace from the engine bay. There's enough space over there. But on the driver's side, there's not enough space from the top to be able to replace the other two lights. The blinker light, you're always going to have to pull this panel off. This is the wheel well shield. So you're going to pop these pins off, and there was one up here, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that you would pop, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, and then once that, you'll gain access to the lights themselves behind here. So we now have access to it. We're just going to go ahead and pull this back, push it back over like that, and that's how we get back in here to replace those lights. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.